Okay, everybody, today we're going to talk about stress cracks. The difference between a stress crack and a normal crack in a house. I'm in a property right now that has stress cracks in every room, on the exteriors, floor deflection, windows are breaking. There's a lot of different things going on here. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first spot I want to show you is right here behind this bookshelf. You can see this is a plaster house. You can see all this plaster cracking here. And you can see here it's kind of shredded. That's how you know it's a stress crack. And if you go down to the lower section here, you can see all that. And a lot of these are horizontal cracks, which indicate a bigger problem than just a vertical crack. Now if you look up here, you'll see on the wall that stress crack translates right into the ceiling, causing a step crack in the ceiling. Now right where I'm standing here on this 1960s shag carpet, I might add, is a major slab break. I wish I could pull up the carpet to show you, but it'll probably tear up if I try to move it. But right here, the slab drops down about an inch from here to here. And it goes all the way across to that corner. And it goes all the way over to the fireplace. So I would love to pull this carpet up to show you this, but I know I'm going to damage the carpet, and the homeowner probably wouldn't like that. And if you look over here on this wall, you can see more stress cracks up in that corner there. Right here, we have more cracks there. As you can see, that's a vertical running across the sill. We got a broken piece of glass right there. We also have a broken piece of glass here. And I'm telling you that this settlement of this house has caused those cracks, because this one here is coming right down on top of that header. And you can see the stress crack there. So this house has undergone major structural problems regarding the foundation settling and cracking. And there's more here. This is just one room, okay? This is one room of a pretty big house. So now in this direction here, I know I can't show you this in more detail, but the floor dips all the way to that far corner. And underneath this part of the house, the raised foundation is cracked right in the corner here, right in this corner underneath, which has probably caused all that shifting. So here's some of the important issues when inspecting a house. I don't see too many houses in this kind of condition. However, it's a big part of the home inspection. And at this point, I'm going to refer them to a geotechnical engineer who can come out and put a water level on each room, and each floor, each corner, and determine what's going on here, where the low point is, where the high point is, and so forth. And then he can further instruct the buyer whether or not it can be fixed, if it's an old settlement issue that was already remedied, or whatever. So we're going to leave it at that. Get your home inspected, call theauthority.com.